Okay, there's a new update from Vertus. Their withdrawal is open for their token to an exchange. Okay, so let me guide you through on how you can be able to withdraw to your exchange. With no time to waste, let's dive in. Okay, okay, so okay, so not to waste much of our time. Okay, um, their withdrawal is open now. They will be listing on the 12th of this month, January. So their withdrawal to an exchange is open now and to on-chain claim after the listing. Okay, so for you to withdraw, there are some criteria you need to meet up. Okay, I'll have done the video earlier, but I completed the tasks before doing this video. But I'll walk you through. The first is to follow them on. Once you click on that, on the vectors balance to check where you can be able to withdraw your token to your exchange, you first click on this vectors balance. Okay, after clicking on it, you will see your main token. I didn't really took the project serious then, it was late. I took it and I was able to mine this. Okay, after opening it, you see your main token, you will see your available token and the withdrawal. So from there, where it is written completed here, it was a mission that is here. It says complete the missions where you see follow them on WhatsApp, follow them on Telegram, then you complete all the mission tasks, the sponsored mission tasks. You must complete all of them, then you make a turn transaction. Okay, after that, then these two icons written exchange, the exchange, and then the custodian wallet. Okay, then for you to complete that turn transaction, the logic here is click on this storage icon here where you mine, click on the storage icon, then you click on collect. Okay, where it say double your claim bonus, then you click on it. Okay, it will take just 0.003 of your token. It's not even up to 500 or 300 naira for you to complete this stuff. Okay, with your tongue token. Okay, after those, the wallet you link to your tongue keeper, make sure it's the wallet you link to your tongue keeper. Once you click on it, it will take you to your complete tongue keeper. Then you complete the transaction. Once you complete the transaction, it will be written at the top here, transaction is in process. Once you are done with it, okay, once it's tried complete, then you go back to the main page of the vectors, then you click on the vet balance. Then under the criteria missions for you to complete to get the token, then you click on the make turn transaction. Once you click on it, once it marks, then it opens this exchange. Once it opens it, then you click on exchange. You select, then you click on any of the token, any of the exchange you want to deposit to. But I'm using Bitget, so I'll click on Bitget and I click select. Okay, and do you have a Bitget account? Once you have, you click yes, I have. Then you go and copy from your Bitget wallet your UID and the deposit address. Okay, then you click on your Bitget. Click on your Bitget. This icon that is here. Click on it. You type it. Then under your username, you see it written UID. Then you click on it. You copy it. Then you come here and paste. After pasting the deposit address, you go back. You click on it. Okay, you go back to. Then you click on add funds. After you click on add funds, click deposit crypto. Deposit crypto. Then you search Vertus. Then you click on the Vertus. It's already a ton under Tom blockchain. Then you copy the wallet address. When you copy the wallet address, then you go back to your vectors. Then you paste it here. Then you click on send. or it's done successfully. Okay, go and do it fast.